Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you will be fine. This is 20th lecture of your Progressive English Unit 4 Sugar and Spice. Today our topic is the Spice Island, that is on page number 105. Open your book on page number 105. Here is non-fiction, गैर अफसानवी अदब, the Spice Islands. Here is prepositions. In the following text about the Spice Island, fill in the gaps with the appropriate prepositions from the following. Words are like for, as, and, from. We have to use in the text that is on page number 106 and 107. Open your book on page number 106. Here is the Spice Islands. The Spice Island, the Moluccan archipelago. Urdu means Misala Jazira, Moluccan Jazire. The Moluccan archipelago is made up of around 1000 island strung. Strung mean students तार या रस्सी, यानी thousands islands पर ये फैला हुआ है across a vast expanse mean भरा हुआ बहुत ज़्यादा of the tropical seas of eastern Indonesia. The waters of the Moluccans teem with life. 19th century naturalist found. Here is one we have to use here preposition we have to use here preposition as. Found as many species of fish in the harbor. Harbor mean bandargah. Harbor mean bandargah of Ambon. Here we have to use preposition again as existed in all the rivers, lakes and seas of Europe. Ternate and Tidor, Ambon and the Bandas. These are the old Spice Island which in the past drew explorers mean explorers. Here is number 3. We have to use prepositions from every corner of the globe. Again we have to use prepositions for their cloves and nutmegs for their cloves and nutmegs. Now come on, next paragraph. Portuguese. Urdu means Portugali, and Dutch forts remain on the island today. Again we have to use preposition as reminders of the past, when in medieval Europe cloves, nutmegs and mace were said to be worth their weight in gold. In the 16th century only of Magellan's 5 ships finally came home. Again number is 6. We have to use here preposition from history. Yes, from. Here we have to use preposition from his 3 years. Round the world expeditions mean students mohim. Expeditions mean mohim. It returned with just over a ton of cloves, which was enough to pay back the Spanish king's huge investment and also to make the survivors of the voyage rich. Voyage mean students very suffer. Voyage mean very suffer. Again we have to number is 7. We have to use preposition for life. Here we use preposition for life. These tiny islands were the source of the world's supply of nutmeg and mace. Nutmeg mean jaffle, and of Europe's nutmegs. The spices were highly prized. Again we have to use preposition here for making badly. As again we have to use preposition number is 10 as ingredients in magic potions. Potions mean medicine. ingredients mean ijza, which at the time were thought to cure every sickness. Now come on next page, page number 107. Nutmegs trees, or nutmegs means students jaffal trees are grown in groves protected by tall canary trees. The hard nut of this tree is the nutmeg, and mace is made. Again we have to use preposition here from its red waxy covering. Cloves are the flowers buds of tropical evergreen tree. The nail shaped buds are dried and used either whole or ground. An average tree yields about 2 kilos of cloves each year. Nowadays, these spices are used mainly in the manufactures of food and condiments. Condiments mean masala jar. Condiments mean masala jar in Europe and the United States, whilst in Asia they are used mainly in the production of indigenous mean desi medical preparations. Some distinctive aromas. Again we have to use here prepositions. Number 12, for foods. For foods, drink and perfumes comes. Again number is 12 and then 13. Here we use preposition from. Extract, nutmeg oil. Nutmeg butter is blended into soaps and shampoos and is also used to soothe the effects of arthritis. Arthritis मीन जोड़ों की दर्द की एक बीमारी होती है. आर्थराइटिस मीन जोड़ों के दर्द की एक बीमारी है. In Asian folk medicines, powdered nutmeg is used. Again we have used prepositions here for the all alternative, for the all alleviations of malaria, leprosy एक बीमारी है उर्दू में इंतज़ाम, and even madness. And in the islands nutmeg has, again we have used preposition, number is 15, for centuries been applied to the yields to induce sleep. Induce sleep means sound sleep. Here is vocabulary. Find the words in the text above which means the same as the following words. For example, word is a scattering of small island, archipelago. Word is here archipelago. Swarm, team, world, globe, financial backing, investment, valued, price, worth, appetizing, palatable, produce, yields, pickles and jams, condiments, spice, native, indigenous, scent, perfumes. Next word is ground, making powders, easing, elevations, and last word is bring on, mean induce. You have to write and learn these words meaning. Your homework is you have to read page number 106 and 107, and also you have to do vocabulary. Take care students. Allah Hafiz.